I was sent these glass suction cups for my review. They come in a pair, a set right here, and in a really nice carrying case, which is a solid carrying case as well. And they do include something that I won't be using just now, but kind of nice, two pairs of gloves. Let me just check what kind of sizing, because usually I'm a large, and these are fine actually. Yeah, really nice. Nice protection, so that's great. Great, nice little grip as well. And they also have the extra valve if you want to replace the valve on the actual suction cup. So yeah, let's put it to the test, because if you guys don't know what these things are, they're ideal for people that are doing glass work. And by glass work, I mean literally windshield, grabbing a windshield, making sure that a windshield can actually come off of a vehicle, or even window panes in a house. They're really, really fragile. It's really delicate to actually handle it. And handling with your fingers and even with gloves, it's really hard to do. With suction cups, it's so easy. It's so simple. You probably are seeing a difference between this one's ready to go, this one is not. And why is that? Because they also come with their own little cover. And why is that? Because you want to keep this extremely clean. You don't want any dust. You don't want any particles, because if there is dust or particles, the seal's not going to be intact and you're not going to be able to suction properly. So, speaking of suction, these things can do 440 pounds each. So I'm talking 880 pound capacity of lifting power here. Obviously, provided you can lift 880 pounds, which I cannot. So the way they work, you've got a really nice gauge meter right here to let you know what kind of pressure we're looking at. So I'm going to put it right here. And all you do is two things. You've got the release valve right here, and you've got the pump. And you could do it with your thumb. I usually use 2 fingers or 2 hands, and I just go like that. You can see the gauge go up, right? As soon as I'm in the green, that is safe. I'm just gonna go a little bit more. There you go. So we're in the green. We know this thing is not moving. We're gonna do the next one right here, and we're at 0. And so, for example, like this would not be okay. This might slip and be dangerous. Actually, it is stuck, but I would want to do it more because it is telling me that I should give it a little bit more juice. There you go. Now we are good. I kind of put myself in a corner here because it's kind of like weird, but we will see if I can actually lift this, this really big piece of wood, as you can see. And look at that. This thing, it's not going anywhere. This is so cool. So yeah, you could be Spider-Man with this thing, but more importantly, you could actually use it for huge window panes, huge projects that have a delicate glass that you need to work with. These things are fantastic. And check this out. When I want to release it, all you need to do, press that button, and you've got it released. It's like magic. I'm telling you, so cool. And let's release it properly. There you go. Love it.